In the last episode, we had a look at an off-road camper. That's a great option if you want to get just that little further off the beaten track and you're two people. What about staying in one place for a long time? That means you have to pack up everything every time you just want to go for a game drive or drive around. So what's the other option for that? Welcome to Get Out Go, I'm Christoph, and today we'll be looking at the MbadaNova, which is an off-road caravan.
This series is proudly brought to you by Outdoor Campers.
Steam train souls from the city, we loan our bones from the grave. Suppose I never cared much, but who could be saved? Beware the wolves and snakes, wrapped up tight beneath the shade of a lonely one along the way out, who had no name. We tread a line in our own lane. It's a sit-down hallway, and I don't feel I know what hope is. What is this place? Take these things away from me, the useless bits I'll never need. Stop my breath so I'll be free.
I'm back in another 79, but this one isn't mine either. This time around we're taking out a caravan. So far the towing's been great.
This braked solid axle off-road caravan is a breeze to tow. It weighs in just over a ton thanks to its largely aluminium construction. It also has a wide drawbar which results in exceptionally stable towing. The jockey wheel also stows nicely tucked away when towing. Hitching this caravan on and off is pretty straightforward. The setup of this caravan is also dead easy, but I've made a setup video that you can find on the Outdoor Campers channel, link in the description below. Just in the towing and setup departments, this trailer already scores high in my books.
This is the MbadaNova. It's made by a company called Tuffcats, which is a South African company, and they've been in the market for the last 8 years. Mbada incidentally means leopard in Shona.
This caravan has pretty much everything you can think of, but it's still very easy to set up and practical as well. Let me show you around. Let's start in the kitchen.
The kitchen layout's really practical. It's quite a large kitchen and there's ample storage space as well.
The layout is well thought out with good working surfaces and everything is easily accessible. The kitchen features a 2-burner gas stove, as well as enough space for a low-profile 90-litre fridge. The drawers are made from a tough plastic material, so they're sturdy but very light. There is a large pantry and bar area as well.
There's a great wash-up area at the back as well, and you've got hot water on tap.
This is very easy to set up again and conveniently located.
The Mbada's got 120 litres on board, and you've got a DeWalt hot water boiler as well. So you've got hot water on tap both at the wash-up area and at the pop-up shower.
The shower is quick and easy to set up as well. It's a little tight, but works great for one-night stops. The Mbada also has a nifty little washing line. Outdoor campers offer a shower extension though, which provides loads of space. The 360-degree awning is easy to set up but provides great cover. You can also get the optional side panels for this awning.
There are numerous lockable storage compartments all over this caravan.
These include compartments to suit all sorts of shapes and sizes, as well as some drawers. The Mbada also has a 5 kg propane gas bottle. Even the steps also feature a handy storage compartment. Now let's have a look at the inside.
The interior of this caravan is really spacious. It's got great ventilation when it's open as well. And what I really like about this is the bed is always made up. So if you do have a quick one-night stop, I can literally just pop up the roof and your bed's made and off you go.
The double bed fits 2 adults comfortably. There is also lots of storage on the inside as well as a wash-up basin and a small bench. There are numerous windows for ventilation, all with bug mesh. The upgradable power system comes standard with AC and solar chargers and a deep cycle battery. There are numerous power ports all over the caravan, as well as a central switchboard to control everything. You can upgrade the power system to include solar panels on the roof, or you can plug in external panels as well. All the external lights can switch between white and yellow to reduce bugs. There is ample lighting all around this caravan.
So who is this caravan for? I think if you're a couple and you like to base camp, that's to say you like to stay in one place for a long time, but then maybe have 1 or 2 quick stopovers, this is definitely for you.
Overall, I am very impressed with the functionality and build quality of this caravan, and I can highly recommend it.
I think as far as 2 sleepers go, this is a really good option for a caravan. Join me next time as I look at my first trailer, which will be a Battalion Maxi. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, get out there.